Place. I have seen multiple people get approved for the Children's Place credit card. I'm even able to get the pop-up with Children's Place using the shopping cart trick. And remember, the shopping cart trick is where you can actually get the credit card without a hard inquiry, even if you guys have poor credit. So that's the reason why people try the shopping cart trick. So definitely Children's Place is one of the companies that the shopping cart trick is going to work for. So definitely try to see if you can get that approval. Now, not everybody can get the approval with the shopping cart trick. So I definitely want you guys to just try to see if you can get that approval. And if you guys can get the approval for shopping cart trick, don't think too bad about it. Just try again. Or I want you guys to try to see if you're able to get it to work with Victoria's Secret and Express. Those are the two easiest ones that you guys are able to get the shopping cart trick to work for. So definitely try those two companies and see if you're able to get the shopping cart trick to work for them. If you're able to get it work for them, then there's probably other companies out there that you guys can able to get it work for, like the Children's Place or the Venus or even Overstock. There's so many other credit cards, but definitely try